Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 1. The shape of the top surface of a table is a trapezium. Find its area if its parallel sides are 1 meter and 1.2 meter and the perpendicular distance between them is 0.8 meter. Let us solve this one. Here it is given that we know that area of a trapezium. We know that area of a trapezium area of a trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into a plus b into h, where a and b are the parallel sides and h is the height. Right here you see, if this is parallel side, one parallel side is 1 meter, another is 1.2 meter, and height is 0.8 meter. Right? Therefore, we are getting here as 1.2. Value of a is 1 meter. Value of b is 1.2 meter, 1.2, and the value of h, that is height, is 0.8. Is 0.8 meter, 0.8. Right? That means here half into sum of parallel sides into distance between parallel sides. Distance between parallel sides is 0.8, that is height. Right? That we are getting here as these are all in meter. Therefore, the area will be in meter square. Meter square. Right? Therefore, we are getting 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1.2, that is 2.2. 2.2 into 0.8 meter square. Therefore, we are getting, if we divide this by 202 and 0.4, 2 4 is 8. If we multiply this one with 2.2 with 0.4, then we are getting 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 0, 0, 8, 8, 0, 1, 2, 0.88. Therefore, we are getting 0.88 meter square. This is the area of this trapezium. Again, we are explaining that area of a trapezium is equal to half into a plus b into h. A plus b are the sum of the parallel sides, right? And h is the height, that is the distance between the parallel sides, that is 0.8. Therefore, 1 plus 1.2 into 0.8. After calculation, we are getting 0.88 meter square. Therefore, area of this trapezium is 0.88 meter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.